Birds are beautiful creatures, but in some industries, protecting them from us or vice versa is a challenge. In aviation, collisions between birds and planes are a serious safety hazard.
Vogels en vliegtuigen zijn geen goede combinatie. Afgelopen jaar is het aantal birdstrikes toegenomen.
In wind farms, birds are no hazard to the turbines, but the other way around. The turbines may lead to mortality. These industries need 24/7 actionable information about bird movements. The Netherlands-based Robin Radar Systems has more than 30 years heritage in building radar systems to detect and track birds. Since 2013, Robin Radar Systems has been working in secret on the development of an entirely new bird radar. The result is the world's first purpose-built bird radar based on phased array radar technology.
It was a long and very expensive project where failure was not really an option for the success of this company. This radar will provide full 3D information on all birds in the vicinity of airports and wind farms. No one else currently provides this feature.
The unique thing for Max was that we really started with a white paper, and that's pretty new in our market, because so far we always evaluated based on what we had before and based on what was there in the market.
It gives you all the information of the whereabouts of the birds, tracks of the birds, real time, and I mean real time, every second updated, up to 15 kilometers range. So it is absolutely an essential and valuable tool.
The data is really important because in the end customers are only interested in the useful information and the actionable insights from the radar data. And therefore we developed a tool in which we could use that data and turn them in easy to use graphs.
Experts have laughed in the beginning because they said this is not feasible, guys. But we were stubborn and quite confident.
During the first tests we were flying with a drone and we exported the data to Google Earth and we really saw 3D imagery of the drone flying around. So after 2.5 years of development it finally worked.
It's more easy to use, the information is more reliable and the information is more complete.
We just love the product. Finally it's there, it's called Max and it deserves that name, and we just are anxious to bring it to the market.